everyone and welcome back to Crafty. This is Veronica and today I'm here with a showcase of this lovely album made with Lavender Farm by Mintay and a tutorial that is following right after the showcase for the last two pages in the album. So this is how the cover looks like. This is the back and you saw the spine just before. I decorated it pretty minimalistically, so to say, but no, I would say like average. So, as we open the album, by the way, it's a big one, so it's 8 by 11 and a half. It's made with A4 paper, and yeah, this is how it looks like. You saw the first page was completely empty, empty, with no add-on. This is page, the back of the page, you just have a small booklet and a closure, also as a booklet, and it is a pocket there. The second page is the most complicated one, and we will do a tutorial on this one. So you see, again, we use a little booklet as a closure, and I used interrupted continuity, and I really hope you like it. And inside you saw there was a big pocket with two inserts. On the back it's very simple, it's just a gatefold closure and a belly band under it. Well, actually not a gatefold closure, but almost. And on the flaps you have the paper is also a pocket. So this is how it looks, and I really love how it looks. I enjoyed so much working with this collection. I told you that I made a folio before for my sister, and it gave me such great vibes while working on that folio that I didn't get enough of the good feeling. So I promised myself that I will create another one for us as well. Even though I'm not crazy after lavender, but the colors in these collections are one of my favorites. So this is page 3 on the back. This is how it looks. We have two belly bands, one horizontal and one vertical. This is the vertical one. Now page 4, and we will do a tutorial on this one as well. No, not on this one, on the next one. Sorry. So yeah, it's a lovely one, this one also. I'm simply in love with it, what can I say. And it makes me feel extremely good. And I hope I will give you good vibes as well while I'm showing it to you and while I uh, make the tutorial for you. Here we have a pocket. It's a very simple one, and you have 3 inserts inside. And on this, after page 5, we will make a tutorial. So you see it has a triple how do you say, accordion here, and we will do that, and I will show you how I did it. It's not complicated, so it may sound complicated, but while I show it now to you, but it's not at all complicated to make it. On the So yeah, it's I can't wait to. I'm not sure if we will ever actually put any photos in this album. It's so wonderful by itself that I don't feel like putting photos unless we will get to, I don't know, Provence, and then yes. This is the fifth page on the back. It's very simple. It's 2 flaps, one big up and one small down with 2 inserts, and it's magnetic closure. And the last page, the 6th, has the same design of the second one, if you remember, only the sizes are a bit different because I have used leftovers. So this is why. Otherwise, it's absolutely the same, and I really hope you like it. And on the back, it's same as page 2 on the back, and I use this design, which is one of my favorite in this collection, the one with the doors. I'm absolutely crazy after it. And so as you can see, it's a perfect continuity here, interrupted but perfect nevertheless. And I'm very happy how it turned out. And in this album, I created for the first time. I took care, made sure to not start cutting another sheet of paper without using all the leftover or the cutouts. Okay, so now for the base page, you need two sheets that are one um, 8 by 11 and a half, and the other one 7.5 by 11. And the bigger one, that is 8 by 11 and a half, you will score at half an inch on both the length and the width. And yes, we are working with A4 pages. A4 in Europe is 8 and 1/8 by 11 and 3/4, and I know it's different than USA model, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. So just so you know, with from what size we start. So we started from 8 and 1/8 by 11 and 3/4. So after you score the two flaps, the two small flaps, you put double sticky tape on both, and you attach the smaller page onto the bigger one, and you obtain this like a half a pocket, so to say, two openings and two closures. And from now on, I will just let you see what happens.
Ba-da-ba-ba.